you're looking for a home near the Mayo Clinic, but you don't have time to mess with updates, delays, or long drives, you're not alone. So whether you're a physician, a patient, or moving your family to Rochester for work at Mayo, you need a home that's ready when you are. I'm Kelly Domaille at Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, right here in Rochester, Minnesota. And if you're asking, who can help me find a move-in ready home near Mayo Clinic in Rochester? Well, you're in exactly the right place. And before we dive in, be sure to like, subscribe, tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our other weekly updates, because we are here to help you navigate Rochester real estate with total confidence. Now, if you got a question, put those in the comment section down below, because again, I answer every one of those personally. All right, let's talk about how to actually find the right home near Mayo Clinic without losing your mind in the process. Location near Mayo Clinic matters, but so does finding something that's truly move-in ready. We work with a lot of medical professionals and relocating families who need to be near Mayo Clinic's campus downtown. Sometimes you're starting a new residency or a fellowship, or you're just commuting from the hospital and back at odd hours. And sometimes you're just exhausted from the move and you can't handle a project house. And that's okay, we've got you. We specialize in homes that are already dialed in, clean, updated, and ready for you to unlock the door and start living, not homes that just need a little work. And we know exactly where to find them. So where should you be looking if you want to live close to the Mayo Clinic? That's where our local knowledge comes in. We focus on neighborhoods within minutes to downtown, like the historic Southwest and the Falwell neighborhood area. And these areas offer a great blend of charm, character, and walkability. Plus, you're just a few turns from the Mayo campus. Now, maybe you prefer something lower maintenance. Well, let's look at modern condos along 4th Street Southwest or tucked away townhomes near Soldiers Field. If you want more space and a private garage, but you're still close to work, well, we'll help you scout out some single-family homes in established neighborhoods like Slattery Park or even Kutsky Park, where listings moved fast, but gems do come up. But of course, as you know, location is everything, and the closer you get to the convenience of the Mayo Clinic campus, the prices can reflect that convenience. Now, these aren't just places on a map. They are communities that we've helped dozens of Mayo-connected clients settle into. And here's what makes the process smooth, even when you're short on time. We get that your schedule isn't flexible, and that you may be flying in for just one weekend, or that you need someone to handle the details while you focus on your work or your health. That's exactly why our team is built for service. We'll line up private showings that fit your calendar, even if it means evenings, lunch breaks, or weekends when you're in town. If you need a virtual showing before you visit, well, we'll walk through in real time so that you can make informed decisions from wherever you are. And when you're ready to move forward, we connect you to trusted local lenders, inspectors, and contractors so that you don't have to Google your way through the process. One client told us, "We were relocating to Rochester and Kelly made herself available with times that worked with our schedule and when we were traveling into town. We were long distance and they made it easy from start to finish." That's what we aim for. Fast, clear, and completely tailored to you. And what separates a great real estate experience from a frustrating one? Well, knowing who to trust. Anyone can search Zillow, but it takes local expertise to know if that freshly listed townhome is priced right, or if that charming older home on 3rd Avenue is about to get multiple offers. We track market shifts daily. We know which listings are actually move-in ready and which ones are hiding problems. We also know how to spot those rare, quiet listings, homes that haven't even hit the big sites yet, but are available through local networks. That's a big deal when inventory is really tight near the Mayo Clinic. So if you need to find a move-in ready home near Mayo Clinic, here's what to do next. Let's set up a quick strategy call. You can be here in town or still prepping to move. We'll get to know your timeline, your goals, and what move-in ready really means to you. Then we'll build a smart search strategy with hand-picked listings that match your style and schedule. You can email me or send me a text message and we'll hook up. No pressure, no generic listings, just a local guide who's ready to help. All my contact information is in the description below, and if this video was helpful to you, do 3 things for me really quick. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop any questions below and I'll make sure that I answer those. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. We love where we live and we'd be honored to help you find the right place near Mayo so that you can get settled and feel at home right here in Rochester, Minnesota. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.